So let's be real for a second. Is there anything more nerve-wracking than the first time you head to the beach or the pool after you've started your journey? Honestly, just the thought of it can make your heart do a little nervous dance in your chest. You want to feel the sun on your skin and the water on your toes, but then that voice in your head starts whispering, "What do I wear? How do I handle the logistics? Will I feel like I belong there?" Well, if you've been staring at your closet feeling a mix of excitement and absolute dread, I want you to take a deep breath. You are in the right place. Welcome back to My Life, My Rules, the space where we celebrate exactly who we are, no apologies and no filters. Today, we are diving deep, pun intended, into the world of MTF swimwear. Whether you identify as a trans woman, a non-binary person, or you're exploring your identity through crossdressing, the beach should be your happy place, not a source of anxiety. We're going to talk about the best styles, the technical tricks like tucking and silhouettes, and most importantly, how to build that inner confidence that makes you radiate, regardless of what anyone else thinks. Because at the end of the day, you deserve to feel beautiful, comfortable, and safe under the sun. You know, for a lot of us, swimwear feels like the final boss of presentation. It's the least amount of clothing we ever wear in public, and there's nowhere to hide, right? Or at least that's what we tell ourselves. But here's the secret I've learned over the years. Swimwear is just another tool for self-expression. It's not a test you have to pass. The beach is filled with bodies of every single shape, size, and story, and yours belongs there just as much as anyone else's. But I get it. The practical side of things can be tricky. Let's start with the basics of choosing a suit that makes you feel secure. If you're worried about your silhouette, especially in the lower area, you have so many more options now than we did even 5 years ago. One of the absolute lifesavers for many MTF folks is the swim dress. And listen, I'm not talking about those old-fashioned ones your great aunt might wear. Unless that's your vibe, then go for it. But modern swim dresses are incredibly cute, flirty, and offer that perfect bit of coverage over the hip and crotch area. They give you a very feminine, classic silhouette while taking away the stress of, is everything staying where it should? If a full dress feels like too much, consider a high-waisted bikini bottom with a little bit of a skirted detail or even a pair of stylish board shorts designed for women. There's something really empowering about realizing you don't have to squeeze into a tiny string bikini to be valid or feminine. You make the rules, remember? Now we have to talk about the T word, tucking. It's a huge concern for many of us when it comes to tight spandex. If you're comfortable tucking, there are specialized gaff swimwear bottoms designed specifically for this. They use slightly thicker, more reinforced fabric to keep everything smooth and secure even when you're swimming or walking around. But hey, if tucking isn't for you, or if it's physically uncomfortable, that is totally okay too. That's where patterns and textures come into play. A busy, vibrant floral print or a dark, textured fabric like a ruffled front can do wonders for camouflaging lines and making you feel much less exposed. Avoid thin, light-colored, or shiny fabrics if you're feeling self-conscious, as those tend to highlight every curve and contour. Instead, look for suits with built-in control panels. They're often marketed as tummy control suits, but they work wonders for providing a bit of extra compression and smoothing down south too. What about the top half? If you're still working on chest development or using forms, you'll want to look for tops with pockets for inserts. A lot of athletic swimwear or mastectomy-friendly suits come with these built-in pockets. They are absolute game changers. They keep your inserts from shifting around while you're moving, so you don't have to worry about one side suddenly heading toward your armpit while you're trying to enjoy a game of beach volleyball. And don't feel like you have to go for a standard bra-style top either. Halter necks are amazing for broad shoulders because they break up the line of the shoulders and draw the eye inward and upward toward your face. Tankiness are another fantastic option because they give you the ease of a two-piece with the coverage of a one-piece. Plus, you can mix and match sizes, which is great if you're broader on top but narrower on the bottom, or vice versa. But okay, let's pivot away from the fabric for a second and talk about the most important thing you'll wear to the beach, your mindset. I know, that sounds a bit cheesy, but stay with me. Confidence isn't something you just have. It's something you practice. The first time you walk onto the sand, you might feel like there's a giant spotlight on you. You might feel like everyone is staring. But here's a little reality check. Most people at the beach are way too busy worrying about their own tan lines, their kids, or where they left the sunscreen to be analyzing you. We are often our own harshest critics. One trick I always recommend is the cover-up strategy. Find a gorgeous, flowy kimono or sheer sarong that you absolutely love. Wear it from the car to your spot on the sand. Use it as your safety blanket. When you're feeling brave, let it drop. When you're feeling a bit exposed, wrap it back up. It's okay to have layers, both literal and emotional. And honestly, why not bring a hype crew? If you're feeling nervous, don't go alone. Bring your best friend, your partner, or a group of queer friends who make you feel like a superstar. There is safety and strength in numbers. When you're laughing and having a good time with people who love you, that anxiety starts to fade into the background. You start focusing on the conversation and the waves instead of how your swimsuit is sitting. If you ever feel someone looking at you, just remember, you are a pioneer. You are showing up as your authentic self in a world that often asks us to hide. That's not just brave, it's beautiful. If they're looking, maybe they're just admiring your courage or your killer sunglasses. Let's talk about safety for a moment too, because I want you to have the best experience possible. If you're trying a new beach or a new pool, maybe do a little research beforehand. Look for inclusive or LGBT-friendly spots if they exist in your area. Knowing you're in a space where diversity is celebrated can take a huge weight off your shoulders. And always prioritize your comfort. If a certain swimsuit makes you feel amazing in the mirror but makes you feel panicked in public, you don't have to wear it yet. Take baby steps. Maybe start with a private pool party or a quiet stretch of beach at sunrise. There's no deadline for confidence. It's a journey, not a sprint. As you're preparing for your day in the sun, remember that feminine beauty isn't a one-size-fits-all mold. It's about the way you carry yourself. It's about the sparkle in your eyes when you're finally being true to yourself. When you look in that mirror before you head out, don't look for flaws. Look for the person who had the strength to embrace their truth. That person is incredible. That person deserves to feel the wind in their hair and the sun on their shoulders. You've worked hard to be who you are. Don't let a little bit of spandex and some sand keep you from enjoying the life you're building. So, here is your mission for the summer. Find one piece of swimwear that makes you smile. Just one. It doesn't have to be perfect by society's standards. It just has to make you feel like you. Whether it's a bright pink one piece, a sporty set of shorts, or a vintage-style swim dress, own it. Walk with your head high, shoulders back, and remember that you have an entire community standing right there with you in spirit. We're all cheering for you. You are valid, you are stunning, and the water is fine, so jump in. I really hope this helped take some of the sting out of that beach day anxiety. If you found a specific brand or a style of swimwear that worked wonders for you, please share it in the comments below. Your tip might be exactly what someone else needs to hear to find their own confidence today. Let's support each other and build a little directory of trans-friendly beach tips right here. Thank you so much for watching till now. It means the world to have you here. This community is all about empowering each other and celebrating the incredible journeys of everyone on their path to living authentically. If you're ever feeling lost or alone, remember you have a whole family here for you. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's keep inspiring each other, sending you all the love and strength in the world. Until next time, live your life by your rules.